A storage system is important to keep everything neat and tidy. Storing the small kitchen appliances sometimes can be tricky. I have 3 ideas that can help you store your small appliances. If you are like me, I love small appliances that help me prepare snacks and meals for my family, and they do it fast. I have many, but need a place to store them. Today I will share a few ideas to organize and store small appliances. But first, I want to share my new little friend. This is a high-speed blender by Elechomes. And I will share with you an unbelievable treat that I made for my hubby and I. But first, let me tell you about this high-speed blender. The high-speed motor in the blender allows more delicate grinding. It has jagged, stereoscopic, thickened applique blades. It also has a thickened and reinforced steel tool apron. It has a food-grade high hardness jar, which is heat resistant, anti-acid, and alkaline. It's healthy and durable. It also has a food-grade double-layered measuring cup lid for hot and cold use. Anti-overflow and anti-scald, simple and safe to use. This blender has 10 levels of speed settings, easy to control, time and energy saving. The special inching design enables faster and more convenient food processing. It has a 2-liter large capacity can which supplies many people drinks at one time. Now I will share with you the drink that I made for my hubby and I. Now, are you ready to have your mind blown away? I'm going to share with you the blender strawberry lemonade. When life gives you lemons, come on, you can say it. You make blender lemonade. And you need just a few simple things. 1 lemon, not 12. You need some strawberries. You need some water, cold water, and a little sugar to taste. And that's it. Minutes later, you're sipping pretty. Minimum cleanup required. Now make sure you scrub your lemons thoroughly because the entire lemon, peel and all, is going in this blender. Wait, what? Let me show you how it's done. Cut the lemon into quarters and remove the seeds and the pith, which is the white stuff in the middle. And then you put everything in the blender and blend. Now pour this concoction in a glass and enjoy. Now I will have the recipe in my description box. as well as the information about this high-speed blender. If you want to upgrade your blender, this is a good one. And Elechomes is offering a coupon code as well. I will have all the information in my description box below. Now we will discuss the small kitchen appliance storage ideas. So the first one I'm sharing is the corner storage. As you can see here, this is the corner of my kitchen. And this is where I keep my small appliances. This is like a lazy Susan, and I must say, when we purchased this home, this is one of the things that sold me on this home. Even in my childhood home, my parents have one of these units. It holds the majority of my small appliances. I place my most used appliances in this lazy Susan. The next one is under the kitchen island. Now I place the appliances that I don't use that often in here. I purchased a expandable cabinet shelf and placed it underneath my island. Now this does extend, but since my air fryer is huge, I only have it on one side. And have a little space there to go if I needed it. As you can see, I have quite a few crock pots, and I do use them all. And lastly, why not store your small appliances in a walk-in pantry? I have some shelving units that allow me to store huge items like these chafing dishes. So you can store them below as well as on your highest shelving. But I would suggest putting these in your pantry, the appliances that you do not use that often. So tell me, do you love small appliances as much as I do? If so, how do you store them in your home? I would love to know. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video and have taken some inspiration from it. Please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, what are you waiting on? I would love for you to become a part of this family here, the Diva family, by subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.